If you're suffering from stress and pain in the shoulders, back, abdomen, arms, thighs, calves or feet, then the AGARO Relaxo handheld body massager can be your ideal solution. The rhythmic massage action improves blood circulation and relaxes stiff muscles. With 8 interchangeable heads, 5 vibration rhythm modes and 6 speed options, you can give yourself various types of massage experiences. It comes with 8 interchangeable massage notes that can be changed as per requirement. The flat massage head provides vibration vortex effect. The wavy massage head provides acupressure massage and can be used on the whole body. The ball massage head is used for enhancing the effect of essential oils all over the body. The Tai Chi massage head stimulates 8 diaphragms to knead the muscle. The frosting massage head is used for exfoliation. The roller massage head is for kneading and pressing deep tissues. The point roller massage head is designed for pin type rolling massage. And finally, the flexible wheel type massage head consists of unique triangle plates for shiatsu massage. It has a unique design allowing for a firm grip while massaging the hard to reach areas. Give your body the love it deserves with the AGARO Relaxo handheld body massager.